Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car humidifiers in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car humidifiers to buy right now in your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and on my research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links down in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Item number 5 is an air humidifier Eliminate. Specifications: Power mode, 12 volts DC. Rated power, 2 watts. Humidification method, mist discharge. Classification, humidification. Humidity control, manual. Model number, air humidifier. Item number 4 is a Gisulife wireless humidifier. Specifications: Brand name, Gisulife. Power, W, 5W. Voltage, V, 12 volts. Shape, classic columnar. Application, less than 10. Power type, battery. Mist output, gallon, day, 70 milliliters/hour. As item number 3, we've selected Car USB Air Humidifier. Specifications: Brand name, no N name _ null. Origin, CN origin. Power mode, USB. Rated power, 2 watts. Certification, CE. Item number 2 is a Basis Car Air Freshener Air Humidifier. Specifications: Brand name, Basis. Power, W, 5W. Voltage, V, 12 volts. Noise, 36 dB 45 dB. Power type, USB. Installation, USB. Humidifying capacity, 300 milliliters/H. Capacity, 300 milliliters. Size, 15.25 cm 7 cm. Material, aluminum. And finally, item number 1 in our list is the Sang Electric Aroma Diffuser. Specifications: Brand name, SA Inc. Capacity, less than 1 liter. Power, W, 12W. Voltage, V, 24 volts. Application, 11 to 20. Classification, humidification. Power type, A, C source. Installation, USB. Mist output, gallon, day, 35 milliliters/H.